Hello, welcome to Dia's Kitchen. Today we'll be making 7-cup cake. This is a sweet, it's not a cake, although it's called 7-cup cake, and it's similar to Mysore pak, but there are a few extra ingredients that we will be adding in this compared to Mysore pak. So let's see what all ingredients we need for this. So we need 5 main ingredients for this recipe: sugar, grated coconut, besan or gram flour, ghee and some milk. So we are going to be taking 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of ghee and 1 cup of milk. So there are totally 7 cups, so it's called 7-cup cake. So we will also be using half a teaspoon of cardamom powder for some flavor. Grease a pan with some butter or oil to prevent the sweet from sticking to it and set this aside. Heat a pan and add the gram flour to it and saute this for 2 minutes just to get rid of all the raw flavor of the gram flour. Once this is done, place it back in the bowl and set this aside. Now heat the same pan and to the pan add the ghee. To the ghee, add the gram flour or besan and keep mixing it by making sure there are no lumps. Mix this until the gram flour combines with the ghee and it has completely no lumps. Once that is done, add the grated coconut to this and mix well. So now to this add the sugar. This is 3 cups of sugar. If you have tasted Mysore pak, you know that it has a very over-sweet taste. Just like that, 7-cup cake also has a very sweet taste. So if you don't like it too sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar from 3 cups to around 2 to 2.5 cups. Mix this well until all the ingredients get combined. Now to this add the milk and mix this well by making sure there are no lumps. Make sure the heat is on medium and keep stirring continuously. To this add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder and mix this well. This gives a very nice flavor. After stirring continuously for around 2 to 3 minutes, there are no lumps now. So keep stirring this continuously to make sure this does not get burnt. So after continuously stirring for around 15 to 20 minutes, the mixture will become thick like this, and when you swirl it around, it will keep swirling inside the pan like this without sticking to it. So when it reaches a consistency like this, switch off the heat, transfer it into the pan that we greased in the beginning. Level it out using the spatula. So if you have a non-stick pan, make sure you use that because it will come out clean like this and it's much easier to clean. Now cut this using a sharp knife because if it hardens after a few minutes, it will be hard for you to cut it. So cut it in advance. So after cutting this, allow it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, if you take it out, it will come out like this. So a 7-cup cake is ready. This tastes just like Mysore pak, but it has the goodness of grated coconut and also milk. So it tastes a bit different. So please do try this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.